Years ago, when the ancient Egyptians built the three pyramids of Giza for the Egyptian pharaohs Khufu, Cheops, Khafre, Chephren, and Menkaure, Mysorenas, there were no cameras around. Because of this, scientists have had to piece together how these magnificent monuments were constructed. Over the past 20 years, thanks to new discoveries and studies, researchers have obtained more precise information about the pyramids. The first and largest pyramid at Giza was built by the Egyptian pharaoh Khufu, who began his reign in 2551 BC. The Pyramid of Khufu, also known as the Great Pyramid, is 138 meters tall. It is also listed among the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The Pyramid of Pharaoh Khafre, who began his reign around 2520 BC, is slightly smaller than the Pyramid of Khufu, but was built on higher ground. Many scientists believe that the Sphinx, located next to the Pyramid of Khafre, was built by him. It is also thought that Pharaoh Khafre's face was used as the model for the face of the Sphinx. The third pharaoh to commission a pyramid at Giza was Menkaure, who began his reign around 2490 BC. He opted for a smaller pyramid, standing at 65 meters tall. Over the last 20 years, researchers have made numerous discoveries regarding the pyramids. These discoveries include a town established near the Pyramid of Menkaure, a study demonstrating how construction blocks could be easily transported over water, and a papyrus found near the Red Sea. This information allows researchers to better understand how the Giza pyramids were built. The techniques used to construct the Giza pyramids were developed over a period spanning centuries, successfully overcoming challenges that even modern-day engineers might face. The evolution of pyramid construction. According to the findings of Sir Flinders Petrie, pyramids originally evolved from rectangular-shaped tombs called mastabas, which were built in Egypt 5,000 years ago. Significant developments occurred during the reign of Pharaoh Djoser, 2630 BC. Djoser's tomb, built in Saqqara, initially started out as a simple rectangle. However, it later took the form of a 6-step pyramid with tunnels and chambers. Another major development in pyramid construction took place during the reign of Pharaoh Sneferu, 2575 BC. At least 3 pyramids were built during this period. The first true pyramid was constructed during Sneferu's era. Instead of step pyramids, Pharaoh Sneferu's architects built pyramids with smooth, even surfaces. Pharaoh Sneferu's architects encountered several problems while building the pyramids. One of the pyramids he commissioned, located in the Dashur region and known as the Bent Pyramid, received this name because its angle changes halfway up. It is thought to have a bent shape due to a design flaw. It appears that Sneferu's architects were able to correct this mistake in the second pyramid located in the Dashur region. Known as the Red Pyramid, this structure takes its name from the color of the stones used. The Red Pyramid was built at the correct angle, giving it a true pyramid shape. Sneferu's son, Khufu, learned from his father and previous ancestors, going on to commission the Great Pyramid, the largest pyramid in the world. How were the pyramids planned? Pharaohs would appoint high-ranking state officials to oversee the construction of the pyramids. In 2010, a team of archaeologists discovered a papyrus dating back to the reign of Pharaoh Khufu in the Wadi al-Jarf region by the Red Sea. Archaeologists Pierre Tallet and Gregory Marward wrote about the discovered papyrus in the journal Near Eastern Archaeology. The text on the papyrus states that in the 27th year of Khufu's reign, Ankaf, the half-brother of Pharaoh Khufu, was the vizier, the highest rank serving the pharaohs in ancient Egypt, and the person in charge of all the pharaoh's affairs. Although the papyrus states that Ankaf was the person in charge during the 27th year of Pharaoh Khufu, many experts believe that another person, probably the vizier Hemiunu, was in charge of pyramid construction during the early period of Khufu's reign. Researchers are working to understand the advanced and complex planning phase of the pyramids. These plans encompassed not only the construction of the pyramids themselves, but also the temples, boat pits, and cemeteries built alongside these massive structures. Researchers have noted that the Egyptians were able to align structures perfectly toward true north, geographic north. This may have also aided in the construction of the pyramids. Glenn Dash, an engineer and member of the Ancient Egypt Research Associates, AERA, who studies the pyramids at Giza, notes that the Pyramid of Khufu is aligned to true north with an accuracy of 1/10 of a degree. Exactly how the ancient Egyptians achieved this is still not fully known. In a recent report published in the AERA newsletter, Dash wrote that the method used likely involved the use of P,